Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Massy Gas Products says the congestion at the Montego Bay Freeport has caused challenges for its import of petroleum products. At a recent tour of the facility, Chairman of Massy Gas, Peter Graham, says the increased number of ships docking at the port is posing challenge for the arrival and storage of its products.
We welcome more and more people to our ports. Each year, Minister Martin tells that number keeps exponentially. And when they come through on the cruise ships. Now, the berths just in the back have to facilitate cruise ships and many other things, including our LPG ship. So we understand that there's a plan by the Port Authority to expand, and we fully support, because congestion in many instances now cause delays, add to the cost.
Mr. Graham is supporting a proposed plan by the government to expand the port. Let's go to the markets now. Oil lost 18 cents today, or 0.31% per barrel. Oil purchased for delivery in August today cost $57.48 per barrel. The foreign exchanges now. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $133.87. The Canadian dollar cost $102.41. Sterling is going for $165.94, while the euro sold for an average of $151.02. Barita Investment reports profits of $1.4 billion over the 9 months to the end of June. It was almost 8 times the $180 million the company reported for the corresponding period a year ago. The outturn means the company converted half of its revenues of $2.8 billion into pure profits. 138 Student Living says Richard Biles has resigned from his position as chairman of the board and its subsidiary effective June 30, 2019. Mr. Biles' resignation comes ahead of his appointment as the new governor of the Bank of Jamaica from August 19. 138 Student Living says the board approved the appointment of Director Ian Prasad to the position of chairman. Stocks trading today closed near an all-time record high. The JC Index gained more than 12,200 points. The Junior Market Index declined, though, losing 7.4 points. The top performing stocks today were NCB Financial Group, Knoxwood Express, Portland JSX, Lasco Distributors, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. On the losing end were CAC 2000, T-Tech, KLE Group, Epi Limited, and Main Event Entertainment Group. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.